Hello everyone. I am recording this video for the, I think, fourth time by now because I was never satisfied with the quality I shot my video in. But yeah, Sora 2. Sora 2 is an amazing video generation tool. If you have seen the videos, and I bet you have seen them, you know, it's actually not far from creating something that's totally photoreal. And that's crazy. But you can use this to your advantage if you actually try playing around with it and trying it out and using it for your own personal projects. It can be an advantage. But why is this new model from OpenAI so good? Well, first of all, I think that this is a direct competitor for VO3 because this Sora 2 model can actually generate not even just dialogue and sound for that dialogue, you know. It can also generate sound effects and music if needed. Now, the only downside with the generations is that it does not have a higher quality option than 480 pixels, which means that the generated videos will be a bit of a low quality, but that's what happens. And you cannot really choose how long the video should be. It will generate a video and it will make it as long as it believes it needs to be. And I think the max is like 10 seconds or something like that. But other than that, it's really fun. You get a lot of content violations if you try playing around with it, and day by day even more. It's not anything like it's not a big problem. You will not get punished by the OpenAI because you know, you created or wanted to create a video that violates their content regulations, because it's just like for safety. Because with this tool you could actually frame someone that he did something they did not, or they committed a crime or whatever. And so that's why you cannot really generate videos with other people in it, and you cannot really generate videos with, you know, known people, celebrities, whatever. You can give image prompts, but even then you cannot really generate videos where there's a person in the image, I believe, or if it's a person that is like distinctively like a celebrity or a public figure or a public character. At the beginning you could, but now you cannot really, and I think that's okay. The only way and the only thing that you can do if you want to actually create videos of yourself or of someone else is that if they have uploaded themselves into the cameos, there's something called Cameo, and you can also create a cameo of yourself, but you need to live in the US or to just be in the US, because there's a Sora 2 app which you can access only on a US VPN or a US IP. But I think that not even a VPN is enough for that, so you just need to live in the US. And then there's an iOS app that you can download. Now, what do you need to be able to access Sora 2? You need a ChatGPT paid subscription, Plus or Pro, doesn't really matter, I think. And you also need an invite code. I think that maybe if you have a ChatGPT Pro subscription you also get Sora 2, but I'm not sure. But if you use ChatGPT Plus and you want to get access to Sora 2, you will need to get an invite code. It's possible because that's how I used it and how I tried it out, but you need an invite code for that. And after you get access, you can also invite for other people, which is great. Is it scary for the future? A bit. It can generate pretty realistic videos. And you know, there are all these people who have created videos with Jake Paul, for example, where he does his makeup, you know.
Get ready with me, starting with a little foundation.
Yo, what's up? Hold up on the vacuum today. Got the sidekick rolling behind. Princess vibes are strong, man.
Yep, let me know when you're ready. I'll be close.
That's possible because Jake Paul has uploaded his cameo onto Sora. You can also find there Sam Altman, Mark Cuban, and other, you know, public figures who have uploaded themselves. But yeah, we need regulations because it's really convincing what it can do. The best videos that I have seen with Sora are those where, you know, there's a found footage or a security camera footage, because those videos, like at those videos, you do not expect the videos to be that high of a quality, and that's why you can somewhat get away with the fact that it's not a high quality generation. And I think it's a mad fun little tool to play around with, but it's actually scary if you think about it. But at the moment, if you know, do videography or something related to videos, just try it out, and it maybe will be helping you in your workflow and whatever. The only thing I would recommend for everyone to do, it's just a recommendation. If you post a video made with Sora 2 on social media, like just solely made with Sora 2 without any other editing in it, just also check the AI label box, because I think it's just bullshit to try to scam and fool people into thinking that some of the videos generated are real, because this is how conspiracy theories, hoaxes, and then other bullshit, you know, circle around the internet. And you could easily use this tool to frame someone, as I said, and to scam someone, but I would recommend you to not do that. And also, there are certain things that you will not be able to do even if you want to, because OpenAI just doesn't let you. And like, there's a built-in thinking mechanism in Sora 2 as well. If it detects that you want to create something like bad per se, it will not let you. But also, if you want to create something like something simple, if you type in a simple prompt, it will make it more exciting and more interesting. It's like you would type in a prompt to ChatGPT, but what you get back is a video, not another text, you know? Like, it has a thinking mechanism, which is interesting. You can make it in a way, like you can prompt it to actually just follow your prompt as it is, but it's like, sometimes it's like somehow it would have its own creative direction. But yeah, just try it out for yourself, play around with it, and create something cool, something amazing. You can create some really funny videos with it. I'm not saying that everybody will like it, because some people will say that, you know, this is disgusting because it takes away like human interaction and human emotions, but like, it is what it is. Like, technology is advancing in this direction. That's it. You either accept it or, I don't know. You cannot really compete with AI generated content in the near future. Oh, also, animated content, animes and whatnot. It's amazing at creating animes.
Stay down, not a chance. Let's finish this.
It's fucking amazing at it. Like, just try it out for yourself, and I will maybe even make a new video about it where I, you know, show some examples of what it can do best. But right now, I recommend you to try it out, have fun with it, and also have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.